guys, this is Julie
and Lynn from Delicious Korea. Today we're gonna make 짜파구리, also known as ramdon, which got a huge attention through the Korean movie Parasite, winning 4 Academy Awards in Oscars 2020.
Here are the ingredients. 짜파게티, 너구리, mashed garlic, green onion, salt, sirloin, oil. You can get 짜파게티, 너구리 in Amazon.com. Okay, let's get started.
First, get rid of water from meat with a paper towel. Now chop the meat into small pieces. Then cut a green onion into thin slices.
Now we're gonna make 짜파구리 sauce. Put both powders and dried vegetable packages of 짜파게티 and 너구리 all together into the boiled water. Stir the sauce before it gets too thick.
Heat the pan with a high heat and spread oil. Put a spoon of mashed garlic on it. Lower the heat to make sure the garlic doesn't get burned. Now put the pieces of meat on the pan and roast them. When the pieces get brown, flip them to make all sides get cooked. Add the sliced green onion too. Now it's the fun part. Pour the sauce on the meat.
Now we're boiling the noodles. Put 짜파게티 noodles and 너구리 noodles into the boiled water. When the noodles get untangled, scoop them out. Now we're gonna mix them all. Mix the noodles with the sauce you made on a low heat. Or you can get 짜파구리 cup noodle on Amazon.com. As a movie lover, we made a special food shown in a Korean movie.
Hey Julie, do you actually enjoy eating 짜파구리?
Of course, I have been enjoying 짜파구리 even before it became popular through the movie.
Yeah, me too. But I've never tried beef 짜파구리 before I watched the movie Parasite.
Besides, thanks to Parasite, people around the world got a chance to know what it is.
For the people who are gonna try making 짜파구리 after watching this, do you have any advice?
Well, make sure not to overcook the noodles. 3 minutes would be perfect.
Okay, so thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
If there's anything you'd like to share with us, just leave your comments below.
We'll be back with next video.
Until then, bye!